Hey, welcome to the Wise Owl. I am very excited to welcome you to the Modern Songwriting series. I created this module for you. I know that you are creative, and I know because I've been there that it's frustrating when you don't know what to do with your ideas, how to create songs from them. This series is created for you to break through and express yourself through the music like never before. The first episode is on the REC concept. Let's get started. The first thing to do in order to write a song is to capture a melodic idea. This is a simple melody that you can hum, whistle, or sing with na-na or even lyrics. Most people get ideas when waking up in the morning, some people in their cars or in the shower, and so on. When this happens, record yourself. It's REC time. So you see, REC is an acronym. The first letter is R. This stands for recording. Take advantage of the new technology, as every phone now has a recorder, and capture the moment. You see, inspiration is like a river, and if you don't capture it right away, the idea might be gone. 1 minute later, you will be singing something else. The other reason for recording yourself is that if you don't know what to do with the melody, you have a saved recording to which you can always return when you get more creative ideas. Next thing is handling what you feel about your idea. You might feel that is extremely simple, but that is a good thing. Simple means that people can remember it and sing it along. Whatever you do, do not criticize yourself. People tend to be their worst critics. Awesome pieces of music were written from very simple ideas. Just listen to a bit of these two from the great classics. What if Beethoven himself would said, "Nah, this is crap, just 4 notes. I'm Beethoven. Forget this is too simple." Instead, genuine excitement is the best feeling. You just capture the moment, a musical experience. You can now begin to create. This is the E from the REC, excitement. And C, it's a memento not to criticize. You might not like the idea right away, just record it anyway. You will still have the option to get back to it at some point. But just make sure that you don't like it, not because of your criticism regarding what people might say about it. Remember, from simple melodies, you can create awesome. Cool. In the second episode, we will talk about identifying the key for your melody. This step is crucial for the development of your idea into a memorable song. Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe and check out my channel to understand music like never before. The Wise Owl salutes you.